Thank you for calling Maple & Co. customer service. My name is Ryan. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ryan. I am calling because I received my order yesterday, but there is a problem with it. I got completely the wrong item.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. I can absolutely help you sort this out. Can I start with your order number?
Yes, it is MC-449-28731.
Thank you. Bear with me one moment while I pull that up. Okay. I have got your order here. You ordered the gray wool throw blanket, correct?
That is right. But what I actually received was a blue cotton one. Different color, completely different material.
I completely understand, and I sincerely apologize for that. That should not have happened. So what I can do is arrange a return of the incorrect item and get the right one sent out to you.
Okay. And realistically, how long is all of that going to take? Because I bought this as a birthday gift and the birthday is coming up soon.
I understand the time pressure. So the process is normally this. We email you a prepaid return label at no cost to you. You send the item back, and once we receive it, we process the return within 2 to 3 business days. The replacement would then ship and reach you in 5 to 7 business days after that.
That might be too slow, honestly. The birthday is 10 days away. Is there anything you can do to speed it up?
Let me see what options I have. I can flag your replacement as priority shipping, which would bring the delivery time down to 2 to 3 business days after we process the return. I want to be upfront, though. I cannot promise an exact date.
I appreciate the honesty. Can I ask one more thing? Do I need to wait for you to receive the return before you send the replacement? Or is there any way to send it out now, given that this was your mistake, not mine?
That is a fair point, and I completely understand why you are asking. Normally, we do require the return to be initiated first, but given that this was our error, let me check with my supervisor and see what I can do. Would you mind holding for just a minute?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thank you so much for holding. So I spoke with my supervisor, and because this was clearly our mistake, we are going to ship the correct item out to you today with priority shipping. You do not need to wait. You will receive a separate email with a prepaid return label for the blue throw, and you have 30 days to send it back at your convenience.
That is brilliant. I really appreciate you sorting that out.
It is absolutely the least we can do. You will get a confirmation email within the hour with a new tracking number. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is everything. Honestly, thank you so much, Ryan. You handled this really well.
That means a lot. Thank you. I hope the gift arrives in time and that your friend has a wonderful birthday.
Thank you. Fingers crossed. Have a good day.
You too, take care. Goodbye.
Bye.